In 2020, nearly 400,000 RVs were produced, but only 15,000 service technicians were available nationwide. That's a serious gap.
Introducing the Lippert Technical Institute's Product Qualification Program. We offer fast, efficient training that builds your confidence by teaching you how to inspect, diagnose, and repair RV systems the right way, the first time. Start online with our expertly designed paths featuring videos, exams, and online challenges, and earn a dual-purpose certificate which counts toward RBTI Level 3 certification. Learners will be invited to attend a hands-on final exam at the Lippert Technical Institute, consisting of proctored testing stations. Upon completion, you'll earn the official qualification certificate, the exclusive Lippert Technical Institute patch and chevron, a Lippert Technical Institute jacket, as well as a spot on our qualified technician page. Start your journey today. Lippert Technical Institute. Learn more, do more, be more.